Kavya from class 8. Good morning, myself Mariam. I am from 9th class. Today our project is identification of blood group. First we have to take one alcoholic swab and choose the third or fourth finger of the left hand and clean it with the swab. Apply some pressure and drink with the lancet rapidly. Take 3 drops of blood, take saline water and add 3 drops on the slide and mix it with a stick. This is anti-Sterile. We should put in adding blood, first blood. Anti-Sterile, put in second blood drop. This is anti-Sterile. We should put in third blood drop. And mix with